Here we go, Araya. Oh! Araya! No! No! Oh my God! Hey, how cold is it?
That was pretty good.
Yes!
It feels like ice cubes are going down my back.
Araya, how was that waterfall?
Freezing amazing.
Incredible?
Incredible!
Look at this, look, look, look. Guys, they're everywhere, like just coming down the side of the mountain.
Holy cow!
These aren't even waterfalls. These are just like, I don't even know what you call this. These are just beautiful. This is incredible.
I wonder how the waterfalls.
So beautiful, guys. So incredible. You have to make this ride next year, the Tennessee Waterfall ride. And we haven't even made it to a waterfall yet.
These are just like...
This is just the side of the mountain. It's beautiful.
You should go under that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got one we can go under.
Try not to get that camera wet.
Araya,
Yeah.
are you ready?
You ready?
Are you ready? Did you get wet? All right, Araya, we made it to the falls. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we got the sea-doo all tied up.
Got my puppy.
You got your puppy with you.
Got my jacket.
Got your jacket. Look at all these fish.
Yeah.
I wonder how they get caught in there. But look, let's go ahead and take it easy.
Let's go up here.
You want to go up there or you want to walk? Look, maybe we can walk here.
No, it's really slippery. I already tried.
You tried? It's not too bad. Come on.
Okay. Whatever you say, I'm coming.
Come on, we got this. Come on. Okay, we can
Wait,
keep
no,
going
let's
up.
go right
Okay,
here.
you go there. And then we can keep going up. Oh, we got this. Teamwork. Okay, teamwork. Let's go this way. Oh my goodness, look at this. Guys, you do not understand the beauty. I can't even explain this. We haven't even made it to the fall. It's so gorgeous. The rapids.
Uh-oh, I think I'm too excited.
The waterfall. Should we go over here and get wet?
I
Guys.
think it's gonna be chilly.
Look at this. Oh, absolutely breathtaking. I can't even explain this. Oh, look at this. Araya, look. You gonna get in it? No. It's actually kind of cold. All right.
Whoa.
Woo, it's cold. Look at that, guys. Okay, right. We got two choices. We can go down there or we can walk through the waterfall.
Okay.
But we're not gonna get too wet. Let's go up this way.
No.
You're going down here?
Yeah.
I'm going up here. I'm going up here. See you later, Gator. Woo! Oh my goodness! Come on! I got you! You got it! You got this! Good job! I got you, kiddo.
Oh.
Look at this! Wow!
Let me go up here.
Just watch your step. Wow!
Wanna go up there?
You can go up there if you want. Let's go. Holy cow. The main waterfall's over there and it's rushing like crazy. It's flowing. Let's go.
Holy cow.
Step. Ready? Step. Wow. Look.
Looks like they might be.
Wow. Let's stay right here. Look.
Yeah.
Whoa. Those are the rescue team. I don't know, but I'm not walking no further over there.
Oh, no.
Guys, let's zoom in and show you this beautiful falls. And look, whoa. I don't want to go no further, that's it.
It's not that slippery. Let's try.
But I don't want to go up there. All right, so I think this is as far as we can go, guys. I don't want to go no more further. Look at this, guys. Wow, so beautiful. That is just incredible. Woohoo! Look at it coming from way up there, look. Look at the water coming from way up there, look. It's just flowing all down here. Do you think you'll ever forget this memory?
No.
This is a memory you'll never forget. The waterfalls in Tennessee.
Let's let the puppy say so.
Hey, give me some knuckles, puppy.
Knuckles, Knuckles, Daddy, join.
Join. Ready, go. 3, go. Boom. Woo-hoo. It's so cold. I want to get my head in there.
Do it. I'll film it.
You do it.
I don't know about that.
Here, this way. Come this way. Ready? Come over here. No, you come over here. Film it this way. Ready?
Okay. Ready, guys? He's gonna do it.
All right, guys. I got to refresh. Here we go. Oh! I'm ready. Let's go. Round 2. Is he getting wet?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Tennessee waterfall ride, guys. Again, I cannot express the beauty, the breathtaking scenery, the rapids over there. I mean, this is just incredible. All right, let's be careful getting down. Come on. It's a little slippery. All right, I'll help you right here. Ready? 1, 2. We made it. All right. This is what it's all about. Create memories that will last a lifetime. And you guys get to join us through this lens right here, guys. This is incredible. Don't miss it next year. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. It is incredible.
You do not. It's amazing.
Look at this. Look, 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 look. Look.
Let's go up a little.
Look way up there.
Oh, my.
All right, guys. We made it all the way up there, experienced the fall. We're gonna turn around now
Go find Queen.
and go find Mom. Araya, how was that?
Beyond incredible, amazing. I don't know the words, Dad.
I know, I don't either. I'm asking you because I don't know the words. Look
I
at
don't
this.
know the words.
Guys, it's just incredible. I mean, it's beautiful.
Why can't Florida have this?
I don't know, but it is so beautiful. All right, let's go find Mom. She's up here somewhere. Everybody's just chilling out, relaxing.
Her name is Queen.
But we went all the way up there to the big fall.
And it wasn't her.
Now we need to find Mom. She's relaxing over here. Let's go.